If you're looking to unlock the secrets of Clackamas County's court records without spending a dime, you've clicked on the absolute right explainer. Welcome! Today we're going to navigate through the sometimes confusing maze of accessing these public records, and we're going to break it down so that even a total beginner can follow along easily. By the end of this, you are going to know exactly how to find what you're looking for completely free of charge. So let's just dive right into it. The judicial system here is honestly quite fragmented. You've got state circuit courts, county justice courts, and then these highly local municipal tribunals. Because it's literally scattered everywhere, it is incredibly easy to get tricked into thinking you have to pay those expensive subscription fees to third-party data brokers just to find basic information. No way. I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass those paywalls and find the public records you need entirely safely and legally.
Our roadmap for today is pretty straightforward. We are going to start by looking at how to unlock the main Clackamas court records. Explore the free circuit court searches, and then drill down into those local municipal and justice courts. After that, I'm going to reveal a really cool courthouse terminal hack. We'll talk about which records actually stay hidden, and then wrap things up with your next steps.
Let's kick things off with the absolute basics of unlocking these records, starting with your actual rights. Whether you're just an everyday citizen, a freelance journalist, or maybe doing some DIY legal research, you absolutely have rights here. Oregon state law guarantees your access to this information. Specifically, it establishes a clear presumption that these files are completely open to the public, subject only to a few very narrow exemptions. So what does this all mean for you? It means these records are yours to view, period. You just have to know exactly where to look. Moving right along, let's talk about conquering the big leagues, the state-level circuit courts. The Clackamas County Circuit Court handles the really heavy hitters. We're talking felonies, major civil litigation, and domestic relations. When you want to search these state-level records, you basically have two main online options. On one side, you have OJCIN Online, which is a paid, subscription-based service that gives you full PDF documents. But right next to it is the completely free OJD Smart Search. Now, while it won't hand over the full document images, it does give you incredible, cost-free access to case metadata, hearing dates, and final outcomes. Okay, so how do you actually use it? You just head over to the free OJD Records and Calendar search portal. If you have a case number, pop it right in, or you can just search by a person's name. But here's a massive pro tip for you. This isn't like a simple Google search. You actually need at least one letter of both the first and last name to use their wildcard feature. You want to be as precise as you possibly can, because if you search for something way too common like Robert S., you are literally going to be drowned in thousands of results.
Now, what if you're looking for something much smaller, like a traffic ticket? That takes us into municipal and justice courts.
If you rely totally on the state database we just talked about, you are going to have a massive blind spot. Minor traffic citations, local code violations, civil disputes under $10,000, these are all handled entirely outside that state system. It's really like a giant localized puzzle. The Clackamas Justice Court takes care of the smaller claims and evictions, while places like Westland and Lake Oswego municipal courts handle local city code infractions. And the tricky part? Each one has its own totally unique search protocol. Westland uses a digital archive called WebDrawer, while Lake Oswego might actually require a direct email request. You really have to use a multi-jurisdictional approach here. If you are dealing with the Clackamas County Justice Court specifically, the Tyler Technologies portal is an absolute game changer. It's your free key to unlocking local records, and the best part is you don't even need a case number. You can pull up records just by entering a citation number, a driver's license, a social security number, a license plate, or even a business name. It is a crazy powerful tool that the state circuit search completely and totally misses. All right, get ready, because this next part is my absolute favorite workaround. Let's look at the courthouse terminal hack. So, what happens when free online metadata just isn't cutting it and you desperately need to read the full unredacted PDF documents, but you refuse to pay for that OJCIN subscription? The answer is $0, literally nothing. That is exactly how much it costs to inspect full digital case files in person at the courthouse. State law actually mandates that they provide this access to you for free. To pull this off, you just stroll right into the Clackamas County Circuit Court facility. It's located at 1000 Courthouse Road in Oregon City. You'll head over to the Public Service Center on the first floor, room 1060. Right there, you're going to find dedicated public viewing terminals. By sitting down at these physical machines, you completely bypass the online document paywall for all documents filed on or after December 4th, 2015. But keep in mind, while staring at the screens is 100% free,
Walking out with paper is not. If you decide to submit a public records request form for physical copies to take home, fees are definitely going to apply. It's 25 cents per standard page, $5 for a certified copy, and $10 for an exemplified copy. Thankfully, they do accept cards, checks, and cash right there at the counter.
Before you go full detective mode, we do need to talk about exemptions and hidden records.
It's super important to manage expectations here, because not everything is public. Due to some incredibly strict statutory confidentiality rules, there are highly sensitive case types that you will never, ever find on any public index, free or paid. Things like juvenile delinquency, adoptions, mental health civil commitments, and Violence Against Women Act cases are systematically excluded. Even if you use that awesome courthouse terminal hack, these files stay completely hidden to protect the privacy and safety of everyone involved.
Oh, and here is another massive rookie mistake to avoid. If you are hunting for raw arrest data, booking photos, or active warrant rosters, you're looking in the completely wrong place if you're searching the courts. Arrest records are maintained by the arresting law enforcement agency. So you have to pivot away from the courts entirely and use the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office Public Records Request Portal and their online inmate roster instead. Okay, we've covered a ton of ground today, so let's jump into a few disclaimers and your next steps.
Just a quick but absolutely vital heads up to ensure you're searching responsibly. While we strive to provide the most accurate and up-to-date information for this explainer, the judicial system is always evolving. Portal links migrate, public record laws get amended, and courthouse hours shift all the time. So please, always verify these details with the official court clerks or consult your own legal counsel if you're dealing with a particularly sensitive case.
Well, you officially hold the map to navigating Clackamas County's fragmented court records completely for free. You now know exactly how to bypass the state paywalls, check those tricky municipal blind spots, and use the courthouse terminal hack totally to your advantage. If this explainer brought you value and saved you a few bucks today, hit that subscribe button to join us for more empowering guides. So I have to ask, what hidden records will you legally uncover next? Happy searching, and I'll catch you in the next one.